Good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to study map of India. In geography, map of India is asked for 10 marks. So we have certain map pointings that we are going to study today. The map of India that we use is given by the council. This map is not available in the shops outside. So I will be sending one copy which you have to do the photocopy of it and use it. So all these map pointings have to be done on the same map which we will be sending you. Today we are going to study passes, peaks, deserts and hills. So in passes we are going to study Nathula Pass and Karakoram Pass first. So let's mark these two passes. These are the two passes which are there in our syllabus. So first I am going to show you Nathula Pass. Now when we talk about Nathula Pass, it lies in Sikkim at this place. This is Sikkim. Now this map, if you see properly, it's having the boundary and there are rivers shown in this map, right? Let me first explain you how the boundaries are shared. So India is sharing boundary from this side with Pakistan. So this is the boundary of India. Here in the north we share the boundary with China. Here we have our neighboring country Nepal. Nepal's boundary is this from here. The rectangle shape that you see is the country Nepal. So this is the country Nepal. You should be very well aware about the boundaries. Otherwise mistakes happen. Now this is the state Sikkim which lies in India. This is Bhutan. So Bhutan boundary is again shared with India. So this entire country is Bhutan. This country is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is also sharing the boundary with India from both the side, west side also and east side also. So Bangladesh boundary is this. This entire boundary is of Bangladesh. International boundary is shown with a dash and a dot. A dash and a dot. So you have to be careful. How was the boundary of India shared with the other countries? Now I am going to mark Nathula Pass. So if you talk about Nathula Pass, it lies in Sikkim and it connects Sikkim to China. For pass we use open bracket and there is a small state here, Sikkim. This pass will be slanting, connecting Sikkim to China. So let me show how it has to be marked. So the pass will be marked with an open bracket like this. So this is one line and this is the second line. So in this manner we have to mark Nathula Pass. You need to observe properly how it has been marked. Right? So Sikkim is there and in Sikkim we have to mark the pass little slanting. The pass should be tilted towards Bhutan side but it should connect China to Sikkim. Now how to label it? While labeling we have to take pencil and we have to mark a pointer. So this is the pointer which you have to mark here. You have to label in capital letters. So here we'll write the labeling Nathula Pass. So the symbol for Nathula Pass is open bracket. You can use black pen for that and see that the pass connects Sikkim to China. It should not go out of the boundary. Now let's mark Karakoram Pass. Karakoram Pass lies in Jammu and Kashmir. It is again connecting India to China. Now this is the boundary of India. Here you can see a U-shaped depression is there. Exactly at this U-shaped depression the pass is lying. Again this pass is slightly tilted and it should be exactly in this depression. Now on the boundary of India again you have to mark the pass by open bracket. So I'll be drawing a small bracket here. The pass should be half in India and half in China. So in this manner it should be slightly tilted and it should connect India to China. This pass should not be very big. It should not connect the line which is there down. This is Indus River. This river is called Indus. So it should not connect this Indus River. It should be in this area only. Right. So now let's label it. draw a pointer, right, and with black or blue pen you can label it with capital letters. So this is Karakoram Pass. So today we have learned two passes. This is Karakoram Pass. Remember the clue, the boundary of India in the north of Jammu, that is Jammu and Kashmir boundary, having that depression. In that depression, a slant bracket you have to draw. And Nathula Pass is in Sikkim here. Sikkim lies in between the two countries. This is Nepal and this is Bhutan. So in between the two countries lies Nathula Pass in Sikkim, connecting Sikkim to China. Thank you.